So today is another little tool drop, Parkside Tool Drop. Got some nice tools. So we're starting off with the Parkside LED work light, the power bank. This is $12.99. They're quite handy. We've got glue sticks, various sizes, 99p for 3 for the price of 2, which is a good price for some glue sticks. We've got a bench vise. I really want one of these for the shed. $19.99. Really do want one of those. Keep saying that. $19.99. We've got the drill bit sharpener. These are $14.99 from Parkside. And also the double bench grinder, the flexible drive shaft. These are $26.99, but with your Lidl card, $22.99, which is a bit of a saving, which is really, really good. Parkside Interlocking Organiser. These are great for bits and bobs. You can even use them for seeds. $9.99. Come in 3 sections, which is really handy, locked together. Really good. Got some ratchet systems, 2 different types. These are $14.99. Used to have one of those to tow the caravan up the driveway. We have some small bits and bobs, hose clips. We've got tubing. We've got rivets. And there's also some rubber seals. These are $2.49 with little bits and bobs to put in your shed, help you out. Screwdriver and bits. These are $4.99. We've got one of those, they're very handy. And we've got assorted bit sets. So there's 4 different sites. The blue, the orange, and then also the other types. The purple, they're longer bits. And all these are various sites, $3.49. We've got the digital angle finders. These look really handy, and digital calipers. These are $7.99. They look really handy. And hand tools. Assortment of hand tools. 4 to 5 different varieties. These are $2.49. All different varieties. $2.49 each. There's a nice selection of different tools. We've got the tool set. These are $12.99. And then we've got a fire extinguisher. These are really handy. I've got one of these in the car. $9.99. It's a good price for a fire extinguisher. We've got these cat socks. These are selling at $4.99. And we've got multi-purpose cord. $3.99. I use some of this for the polytunnel and to do my tomato plants. We've got metal parts grey, got black, grey and white. These are $3.99. And we've also got rust protection plant paint, black, white and greys. These are $7.99. We've got some gloves, various sizes from 8 to 11. These are $1.99. Good assortment of gloves. You can never go wrong with gloves. And then we've got these work boots, steel tuck wood boots, $17.99. Various sizes. You've even got the Parkside colours, $17.99. And then we've got this wall organiser. This is great for the shed. I've got one of these in the shed, and I'll show a link at the end of it in the shed. These are great. $16.99, reduced to $12.99. So let me know in the comments, what would you choose from any of these tools? Have you got any of these tools? I'm going to get another organiser for my shed. So leave you with my organiser shed. Let me know in the comments.